So guys, this is what it looks like at nighttime. So it does light up a little area, but yet it's not like crazy bright where it's awkward. It's just enough light that you need. And your on and off switch is right here. So you can kind of see. Very nice. So guys, before we get started installing it, you can see at the very top there is a solar panel, which I think is pretty awesome. But it just comes in what looks to be 2 pieces, so I love that as well. For the solar panel, if you twist it to the one side, you can actually pop it off. So for any reason you need to go through this, clean it, whatever, you can do that. And what's really cool is it just has a AA battery that is rechargeable. So as long as you have a solar AA battery that is compatible with the solar panel, and it's rechargeable, you can swap that out if the battery ever gets bad. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you will need a base. So if you guys don't already have a base yet, they don't provide you with a base, and a base is something that on the bottom, it just holds it in place from moving around. On most tables you're gonna have, you know, your opening, but if you don't have a base, it's just gonna move around. So highly recommend you guys pick up a base because they don't provide it. And for this, with the lever, you just simply go the one way to open and close it. So let me demonstrate this for you guys. And we'll also show you guys the LEDs at nighttime. You can fully adjust it, so if you want to angle it to the left or right, you can. Probably, which I'll explain in a moment. I think the only thing I don't like is you kind of have to bend and duck as you lift it up and as you bring it down. The lever I think should have been lower, so I think they should have made the top piece a little bit longer and maybe the bottom piece a little bit shorter, so the lever would have been like right there instead of up in here. But I do understand why they did that as well, because if the lever's down there, then it's exposed to weather more, so up there it's kind of protected. But overall, I still really like this, and we just need to get a base so it doesn't kind of move around, as you guys kind of saw wobbling. But I like it. My personal opinion, it's definitely probably a 3.9 to 4 stars out of 5 in my opinion. So guys, this is what it looks like at nighttime. So it does light up a little area, but yet it's not like crazy bright where it's awkward. It's just enough light that you need. And your on and off switch is right here. So you can kind of see. Very nice.